Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Persona 4 on PC. There are two primary ways to enjoy this fantastic role-playing game on your computer. You can either purchase the officially released Persona 4 Golden on Steam, which offers a modernized experience, or you can explore emulation to play the original PlayStation 2 version. Both methods provide a complete and engaging journey into the world of Inaba, allowing you to experience its unique story and characters. The most straightforward method is to acquire Persona 4 Golden directly from the Steam store. This official PC release boasts several enhancements, including improved graphics and smoother performance, making your adventure visually stunning. It also comes packed with additional content, such as new social links and story events, expanding upon the original game's rich narrative. This version ensures a seamless and optimized experience right out of the box. Alternatively, you can play the original Persona 4 through emulation using a PlayStation 2 emulator like PCSX2. To do this, you will need a legitimate copy of the game's ISO file. Once you have the emulator and game file, you'll configure the settings for optimal performance and graphical fidelity. This method allows you to experience the game as it was originally released, offering a nostalgic journey for many players. When choosing between the two, remember that Persona 4 Golden introduces new social links, additional story content, and improved voice acting, offering a more complete experience. The Golden version also features enhanced visuals and a few new musical tracks. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prefer the modernized, expanded Golden version or the classic, original PlayStation 2 experience. Both are excellent ways to enjoy this beloved title.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.